So, to conclude, welcome back to Chef Tim's Smokehouse. Yes, I did set off the smoke alarm, even though I was trying not to. No worries, nothing was burned. So, the mayonnaise, quarter cup of mayonnaise, homemade mayonnaise, yes, hallelujah. And we shall strain our potatoes. They are cooked. Drain them off really well. Rinse them to cool, or you can just drain them and then stick them in the fridge or freezer for complete cool. So we have all of our ingredients in this lovely homemade potato salad. This is really well the day before, so it can kind of sit. And now we plate. So nice serving of potato salad. Your chicken, which cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Boom. And why not a little extra sauce? You can never have too much sauce. And much ado about loveliness. And that concludes our lesson on salad basics, emulsifications. Goodbye.